So, you want to know how we make our high-performance seals here at Chesterton Customseal? Well, let's walk you through it. First, it all starts with precision engineering. Our engineering department takes your specs, which we know can sometimes be tricky, and crafts a seal design with precision you can rely on. So precise, it could make a Swiss watch jealous. Then, we send this masterpiece to our state-of-the-art production team, where the magic really happens. We use our advanced CNC machines, and we carve your seal from premium-grade materials. These machines, they don't just cut, they sculpt. Like Michelangelo, but instead of marble, it's elastomers and PTFE. Fancy, right? Next, we inspect every single seal. Why? Because we're obsessed with quality and perfection. Some might call it overkill. We call it doing it right. Oh, and if it doesn't pass, back to the drawing board. No shortcuts here, ever. After all, one tiny flaw in a simple seal could mean downtime, costly repairs, or worse. Finally, the finished product is lovingly packed and shipped out to you. It's almost like sending a piece of our soul in the mail. Okay, maybe that's a bit dramatic, but still, these seals are made with passion and perfection. And there you have it. Simple, right? A quick design, some cutting-edge machinery, a little obsession with quality, and voila! A high-performance seal that's ready to take on the toughest applications. Just remember, that simple seal is what's keeping everything running. Is it really that simple? Not really, but that's the point. Choose Chesterton Customseal. Choose excellence, because you deserve more than just a seal.